to the game and a bad bitch shows. When I get signed on me, I'm about struck. Straight from the CIA, standing on my lap. Hang up your M16 to the hood. Ask them all loud on the block was good. I'ma put the cops to spot me by the White House. Republican run up, get socked out. Hit the pants with a Cuban link on my neck. Uneducated, but I got $1 million check like that.
That sucks.
Oh, that's a bad death. Holy moly.
That's a little bit of a confidence boost that I actually made it through some
Did you say
gameplay.
a content boost?
Confidence boost.
Oh, confidence boost. I was like, what the fuck about content are you talking about?
Ain't no city quite like Miami.
Strobe lights in the room. Got your little secretary bitch for the homies. Blue eyed devil with a fat ass mouth. I'ma buy a brand new cutty on both. Tuck the hood up 2 times, do fold. Sign them on everything, spend them on everything. Married to the game and a bad bitch shows. When I get signed on me, I'ma buy struck. Straight from the CIA, standing on my lap. Hang up your M16 to the hood. Ask them all loud on the block was good. I'ma put the cops to spot me by the White House. Republican run up, get socked out. Hit the pants with a Cuban link on my neck. Uneducated, but I got $1 million check like that.
No way, bro. Juju, I beat it.
What the fuck?
No, like literally 3 attempts later.
What the fuck?
I just got 87.
I hate you.
That's so funny. Alright, well,
Completion
10th time, yeah.
Alright, let's see it.